It is off. Banana nado. We get a cup. Strawberries. Strawberry is good. It helps to lower blood sugar. For those who want to stay healthy and yet eat fruits, add strawberry to your diet. So we get that. And we'll also be using dates. It's organic dates. It's already pre-washed. And for this recipe, I'll be using about 3 dates. To make it sweet, rather than adding sugar, which is not really healthy, but we use dates for this recipe. So go ahead and cut this up. So we're adding a banana first, then we'll add some ice. Strawberry banana milkshake here. Now we'll add our strawberries. Mix it with the dates. Cup is already full, so we'll leave that. And close this up. Close this up. Now we want to add this, our yogurt. It's a milkshake and it's plant-based yogurt, so if you want to substitute like cow milk yogurt, you can use the cashew plant, which is plant-based yogurt. So get that. Add in our strawberry. Close it up. And blend. Now I want to add all my strawberries though. I don't want to trash anything. Our dates. See? Then a couple of times. Strawberry banana, very healthy, very good for you. So let's pour this in our cup. You can still drink from the cup. A strawberry straw. Enjoy. Very good. I'm so glad that I added the dates. So rather than using sugar, use dates. Dates is very healthy for you and gives you the plant-based sugar. Cheers to good health. Enjoy.